Hi, this is Garrett Flynn from the University of Southern California, and along with Dong Song, co-director of the USC Center for Neural Engineering, I challenge you to create on-memory neurotechnologies. Over the past decade, our research group has developed a proof-of-concept system to deliver precise patterns of stimulation to the hippocampus and restore memory function in dementia. In 2018, we successfully tested this device in human epilepsy patients to significantly improve short-term and long-term retention of visual information. However, a problem we now face is gathering qualitative data on stakeholder views of brain stimulation to improve the acceptability of this device for end users, a process called user-centered design. We currently have NIH funding to conduct semi-structured interviews with patients enrolled in our proof-of-concept trials, as well as individuals with mild cognitive impairment and increased biomarkers for Alzheimer's disease. The quality of these responses rests on a foundation of understanding held by research participants as a result of direct experience with our device, as with patients enrolled in our proof-of-concept trials, or informational content and hypothetical scenarios that we deliver before the study. However, at least in our case, these methods differ between our participants and are not immediately scalable, as they rely on a research assistant to conduct more interviews and do not currently include perspectives from the general public. To solve this problem, we intend to create interactive web content that not only improves reader understanding of the memory prosthesis, but simultaneously allows for data collection on their hopes and worries related to next-generation neurotechnology. Interactive content, in general, allows for concrete emotional moral experiences and is particularly useful for making the methods and results of the sciences accessible, understandable, and exciting to a broader audience. Active engagement with this content allows for rapid onboarding of participants, whether research subjects, at-risk individuals, or members of the public. And web hosting allows for scalable and voluntary access of this content by anyone, anywhere. Our particular solution involves the use of IDLE, a markup language and toolkit for writing interactive articles. Using this tool, we will create self-paced educational content for our memory prosthesis, embed questions and feedback forms directly into this content, and develop a researcher dashboard to analyze user responses and provide more comprehensive design recommendations for future cognitive neurostimulation therapies. To successfully create on-memory neurotechnologies, we need innovators with a wide variety of skills. For instance, we need designers experienced with graphic design, UI, UX, and data visualization. We need bio and neuroethicists with an eye towards the social, legal, and ethical implications of advanced brain technologies. And of course, we need neuroscientists and neural engineers with a passion for communicating the latest developments in the field. Experience with web development is a plus, but is not strictly required for this project. Participation in this challenge for the 2020 NeuroNexus competition will give you the knowledge to effectively communicate about the design and development of next-generation neurotechnologies. We'll open source our code, and all innovators will be credited on both the project's GitHub page as well as its hosted location. And importantly, we will deliver on-memory neurotechnologies not only to NeuroNexus participants and other members of the general public, but also patients currently enrolled in our NIH-funded research study at the USC Keck School of Medicine and Oregon Health and Sciences University. Depending on the success of this project, we may also write a paper on the use of interactive media to enable user-centered design and continue creating interactive content for other neural engineering labs. Thank you for listening to our pitch for on-memory neurotechnologies, and we look forward to meeting all of you on pitch day.